Hi friends, my name is Amal Jadhav, Assistant Professor in Department of Mathematics, Vidyapratishthan Kamal Nayan Bajaj, Institute of Engineering and Technology, Baramati. My subject is Engineering Mathematics 3 and this is lecture on unit Laplace transform, and today we discuss topic Laplace transforms of integrals and convolution theorem. This is lecture number 4 on unit Laplace transform. So we start Laplace transform of integrals. How to find Laplace transform of integrals? If Laplace transform of f of t equal to f of s, f of t is a function of t and its Laplace transform is f of s, then Laplace transform of integration of f of t dt with limits 0 to t, integration 0 to t f of t dt, and its Laplace transform is 1 upon s into f of s, where f of s is Laplace transform of f of t for this f of t. This f of t Laplace transform is f of s. And second rule, Laplace transform of 0 to t 2 times integration f of t dt in Laplace transform is 1 upon s square f of s. Similarly, or in general, Laplace transform of 0 to t integration 0 to t integration n times integration of f of t, and Laplace transform of that n times integration of f of t is 1 upon s raised to n f of s. In general, Laplace transform of n times integration is 1 upon s raised to n into f of s, where f of s is Laplace transform of this f of t. See example, find Laplace transform of integration of sine 3t, integration limits 0 to t dt. Find Laplace transform of integration of 0 to t sine 3t dt. So here first find out Laplace transform of sine 3t and consider f of s. First find Laplace transform of sine 3t, consider f of t and use result L of 0 to t integration f of t dt is 1 upon s f of s, where f of s is Laplace transform of sine 3t. Use sine 80 formula. Laplace transform of sine 80 is a upon a square plus a square. Here 3t, so a is 3. So formula is a upon a square plus a square, that is 3 upon a square plus 9. This is f of s, and Laplace transform of this integration 0 to t sine 3t dt is 1 upon s f of s. So Laplace transform of integration of 0 to t sine 3t dt is 1 upon s f of s. This is result, and this f of s is Laplace transform of sine 3t, that is 3 upon s square plus 9. So final answer is 1 upon s into 3 upon s square plus 9. This is final answer of this Laplace transform of 0 to t sine 3t dt. Only find sine 3t Laplace transform and multiply 1 upon s. This is integration of Laplace transform of integration. See second example, Laplace transform of integration of 0 to t cos ht. Same here, find cos ht Laplace transform and multiply 1 upon s. This is Laplace transform of this integration 0 to t cos ht. First find Laplace transform of cos ht and then use result. This Laplace transform of integration 0 to t f of t is 1 upon s f of s. F of s Laplace transform of cos ht. Use result cos hyperbolic hat. Cos hat is s upon s square minus a square. Here h into t, that is h into 1t, a is 1. So use result is s upon a square minus a square, a is 1. So Laplace transform of cos h 1t is s upon a square minus 1, and Laplace transform of integration of cos ht dt is 1 upon s f of s. 1 upon s as it is, and f of s is s upon s square minus 1. S is cancelled, so final answer is 1 upon s square minus 1. Laplace transform of integration is very simple. Consider f of s is Laplace transform of f of t, that is cos ht, and final answer is 1 upon s into f of s. Next topic is convolution theorem. Convolution of two functions. Definition: the convolution of function f of t and g of t is denoted by f of t star g of t and defined by f of t star g of t equal to integration limits 0 to t f of u into g of t minus u du. This is convolution of two functions. Theorem: if Laplace transform of f of t equal to f of s and Laplace transform of g of t equal to g of s, then Laplace transform of convolution Laplace transform of f of t star g of t equal to Laplace transform of integration of f of u g of t minus u du equal to Laplace transform of f of s into Laplace transform of g of s. See example. First example is find Laplace transform of sin 2t star cos h2t. Two functions, convolution of two functions. Sin 2t and cos h2t are two functions. Take first is f of t and second function is g of t. Find separate Laplace transform. So L of f of t is sin 2t and g of t is cos h2t. Then capital F of s is Laplace transform of sin 2t, that is 2 upon a square plus 4. Result is a upon a square plus a square. And g of s is Laplace transform of cos h2t. Formula is s upon a square minus a square. Here a is 2. So Laplace transform of cos h2t is s upon a square minus 4. Use property L of f of t equal to g of s and L of g of t equal to g of s. Then Laplace transform of convolution is multiplication of Laplace transforms. Multiplication of Laplace transforms. Convolution, Laplace transform of convolution is a multiplication of Laplace transforms. Convolution, Laplace transform of convolution is a multiplication of Laplace transforms of f of t and g of t. Convolution of f of t and g of t. Convolution of f of t and g of t. And Laplace transform of f of t star g of t is multiplication of Laplace transform of f of t and g of s, f of s and g of s. So Laplace transform of sin 2t star sin cos h2t is multiplication of f of s and g of s. It's 2 upon a square plus 4 into s upon a square minus 4, that is 2 into s, 2s divided by this a square plus 4 and a square minus 4. Again here use result a plus b into a minus b, hence 2s divided by s raised to 4 minus 16, because a square plus 4 into a square minus 4, that is a plus b, a minus b, result is a square minus b square, that is s raised to 4 minus 16. Convolution, Laplace transform of convolution is very simple. Now second example, find Laplace transform of e raised to t star sin 3t. Convolution of e raised to t and sin 3t. Let Laplace transform of f of t, let f of t is e raised to t, first function. Sin 3t is g of t. Find f of s, Laplace transform of e raised to t by using result e raised to at is 1 upon s minus a, and g of s is L of sin 3t. They use result here, sin of at, result is a upon a square plus a square. A is 3, so Laplace transform of sin 3t is 3 upon a square plus 9. And use property Laplace transform of f of t equal to f of s and Laplace transform of g of t equal to f of g of s. Then Laplace transform of convolution of f of t and g of t is f of s into g of s. So here Laplace transform of e raised to t star sine 3t is 1 upon s minus 1 into 3 upon s square plus 9 multiplication of f of s and g of s, that is 3 upon s minus 1 into s square plus 9. This is Laplace transform of convolution of e raised to t in and sine 3t. This is Laplace transform of convolution of e raised to t and sine 3t. Convolution of two functions and Laplace transform of two functions of convolution is very simple, only multiplication of Laplace transform of each function. Thank you.